Hello and welcome to Tech Baffle. James Whitworth here, and we have upgraded to 4K. There's also a green screen, so if all has gone well, I shouldn't have green behind me. This is a critical warning. This video may set off your Amazon Echo or Fire with devices, so yeah, keep them far, far away. Today I'm reviewing the Fire 10 with Alexa 2017 model. Over the past couple of weeks I've got to know the tablet a bit better, so I can give you my honest review. Alexa, tell me what you think of this video. What are we staring at? The display. Isn't it a beauty? A clear 1080p IPS display that makes all apps and games look brilliant. This means it has great viewing angles too, although the glass is very reflective outdoors. They haven't managed to go AMOLED, but it's 455 candela per square meter, which, yeah, looks nice and bright. The high resolution makes text easy to read, which is great for Kindle books and web browsing. It also has blue shade, which dims the display for a warmer tone to reduce blue light. It's especially good for reading Kindle books. Turning on blue shade before going to bed also improves your sleep. Let's play some games. For a tablet of this price, I wasn't expecting games to perform. Wasn't I wrong? 3D performance looks amazing and there's no stutter on that 1080p display. If you play landscape, the dual Dolby Atmos speakers face upward for great stereo separation. The speakers get pretty loud too, ideal for watching TV shows and movies. If you don't want to annoy everyone, there's the glorious 3.5mm headphone jack. Will it last? It's glass on the front, matte plastic on the back. The build quality feels solid to hold and doesn't creak or flex. It's well constructed without imperfections. It feels like a device that will last a long time, although for kids I'd recommend the Fire HD Kids tablet, especially if they're a little clumsy. No, shh, I haven't dropped my phone before. Speaking of which, drop a like, comment and subscribe on this video. #aesthetic. The Fire HD 10 looks like a tablet. It's simply designed but looks high quality. I like how the back has a matte finish with the glossy Amazon logo. Bezels are quite thick, although for tablets it makes it easier to hold. If you want more spice, there's lots of vibrant colours available, such as marine blue and punch red. Imaginary friend. The biggest selling point for the Fire HD 10 is Alexa. Unlike other Amazon tablets, you won't need to press a button, just yell her name. Alexa. Alexa is great. She's very helpful. What's the weather today?
In Bedford, it's 5 degrees with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect clouds and showers, with a high of 6 degrees and a low of 1 degree.
She even has a sense of humour. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you get if you spill tea on a rabbit?
I'm not sure.
A hot cross bunny.
Absolutely. The Fire HD 10 comes with Amazon's App Store. It has a nice layout and I've managed to get quite a few apps there. Problem is, Amazon and Google aren't the best of friends. There's no Chrome, no YouTube, no Gmail. I mean, there's a so-called YouTube.com app which doesn't even play HD, which is ironic. Delete that and get the HD video for YouTube app instead. Not to worry, in my next Fire HD video I'll show you how to get all the apps you love from Google Play. I mean, it isn't officially supported, but you know, we all want the Play Store. You can still follow me at Tech Baffle. Amazoning. If you like Amazon, this is the tablet for you. Amazon's designed this tablet especially for services like Prime Video, Audible and Kindle. The services are very well integrated, although if you don't use them it doesn't matter. Adverts. They're how things are made possible. Most YouTube creators wouldn't exist if it wasn't for ad revenue. Adverts are also why the Fire HD 10 is made so affordable. The lock screen has an Amazon advert which you can swipe away to unlock. If you don't like the sound of that, you can pay a little bit more for an ad-free tablet. Fire OS. If you've used an Android phone or tablet before, you should be fairly familiar. Fire OS is a build on Android, so has similarities. With Fire OS is Amazon's app menu, with tabs for apps, books and more. It also has a For You tab, which recommends ideas similar to your recent purchases. If you swipe up from the top, you get your settings for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi as you do in Android. There's also a switch for blue shade and Alexa hands-free, in case you keep calling her by accident, or if your name actually is Alexa. Shh, I heard some people haven't subscribed to Tech Baffle. I'm not sure who they are. Capture the moment. The cameras take photos. Can we skip this? The Fire HD 10 has a 2MP rear camera and a VGA front camera, which is basically 10-year-old flip phone technology. The cameras are laggy and taking good pictures can also be tricky. This is a video test on the Fire HD 10 Amazon tablet, and this is portrait ways. I don't know how well this is going to look. when I edit this, but at the moment it's looking a bit grainy. This is a camera test of the rear camera. I can't see what I'm doing, so I have no idea if I'm in shot or not. I've literally just flipped the tablet round. This is portrait ways. Again, I have no idea if I'm in shot or not. If you just want the occasional video call, you'll be fine. What can I store? The Fire HD10 has great storage. Choose from 32GB or 64GB of internal storage, expandable up to 256GB via micro SD. Can I connect it? Although there's no SIM card slot, it does feature dual band Wi-Fi 802.11ac and Bluetooth 4.1, which both work very well. Does it perform? The quad-core 1.8GHz MediaTek MT8173 processor is 30% more powerful than the previous gen. The RAM has also been boosted to 2GB, which makes multitasking much easier. The Fire OS works smoothly and the tablet feels fast to respond. The touchscreen's response is also very good. Overall, the Fire HD10 is an awesome tablet PC which is great value. Whether you want to browse the web, read books, listen to Audible, watch a movie, or annoy Alexa. Alexa, what's 1 plus 1?
1 + 1 = 2. But I think you knew that already.
The Fire HD10 is a smart choice. For more tech goodness, don't forget to follow me at TechBaffle. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. For tech twice a week, you know what to do. Drop a like, comment, subscribe and ding that bell icon too. Thanks for watching. Get all the info you need at techbaffle.com. Alexa.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Check your Wi-Fi network connection by going to settings.
This is what happens when things go wrong. I literally just had Wi-Fi turned off.